Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Taster Bakings. Today's tutorial will be me showing you how to make this Ermine Buttercream, which is also called the cooked flour buttercream. This buttercream, as you can see, it's silky smooth and it has a perfect consistency for you to cover your cake and pipe on your cake. This buttercream also tastes less sugary than any other buttercream. So follow me through, guys, as I show you the drill on how to make this. Firstly, you will be adding your sugar, your flour on your cooking pan on a low heat and try to toast it. This is cooking your flour before adding any liquid into it, and for this you have to keep turning your flour so as to not burn it. You have to cook this for at least 3 to 4 minutes before you proceed to add your milk. Also, after adding your milk, you do not stop stirring. You have to continue stirring so as the flour to not stick to the pot. You have to keep stirring till it is this consistency, which is very thick, and then transfer it to a bowl so your cooked flour can cool down before using it with your butter. So right now I have refrigerated my cooked flour and it is completely cool. So I proceeded to whipping my buttercream. As you can see, I am whipping it until it is fluffy and it is pale. You need to whip this for at least 7 minutes to have this look. And then proceed to add your cold cooked flour. As you can see, it is very thick. If your flour is not this thick, then guys, you have to make it this thick because it will give you a totally different stuff, and it's not a buttercream. It can be anything but not a buttercream. And as you can see, I am just adding this cooked flour bit by bit into my butter and mixing them together. Like I said, your cooked flour has to be this thick, guys. I have tried this with a less thicker cooked flour, but it gave me something different. It was totally, no, not right. It's just, oh, don't do it. Make it this thick, okay? As I said, add this bit by bit into your butter and whip it. Also remember to scrape the sides of your bowl so as to have all those excess that isn't being whipped to be completely combined. If this is your first time in my channel, guys, then do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And also, as you have been seeing the process of this video, if you like it, give a thumbs up, please. At this consistency, you have your buttercream ready, except for 2 more ingredients you would be adding, which is your vanilla and your salt. Add this and then mix it up again, just to combine the vanilla and the salt, not for anything much. After that, then you are done with your buttercream. This buttercream, as you can see, is super silky. For the full written recipe, you can be sure to check the description box because it will be right there waiting for you with some tips on how to bake. As you can see, it pipes perfectly. Just take a look at how silky that is. So guys, give this a try and do not forget to subscribe for more, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.